Okay, the next topic it is stars. The stars are celestial bodies comprising of hot gases. So if you are talking about sun is a star, it contains hot gases, which are the hot gases mainly helium and hydrogen. All the stars emit their own light. They can produce their own light. If you're talking about planets and satellites, they don't have their own light. They get sunlight from the sun. But here, all the stars, sun is also a star, they can produce or emit their own light. All the stars are not the same. They may vary in brightness, size, colors, and temperature. They are massive in size. However, they appear as a point-size object from the Earth size. Okay, we are seeing from the Earth, they look very small. Okay, Sun is the closest star. Other stars, in the night sky, if you are studying and observing, you can see they are very, very small because they are very far. But they are very huge or massive in size. But they appear as a point-sized object from the Earth's surface. This is because they are at a huge distance from the Earth. What is the reason for this? Because they are very far from the Earth. Stars have a life period. They take millions of years to born and live for tens of millions of years and eventually come to an end. Due to their long lifespan, the change in the stars are not very sudden. Hence, they appear as permanent to us. So these are the stars. We are going to learn a few facts about the stars. First one is, why do stars twinkle? If I am asking you why, if you are at night, if you are seeing the stars, we feel like it twinkling. Why it is twinkling? Because one thing is, stars are very far. The light is coming from far. When it comes closer to the earth, it is going through the different layers of the earth. There is a troposphere, stratosphere, lithosphere. There are different layers, atmospheric layers for the earth. When it moves from one layer to next layer, it will deviate. Again, from second layer to third layer, again it will show little deviation. Because of this, it looks like twinkling. Okay, so stars emit light that, when enters the Earth's surface, has to travel through the several layers of the Earth's atmosphere. Hence, it appears that the light is traveling in a zigzag motion due to the change in densities of the Earth's atmosphere and the density of this space. Therefore, it appears to us as if the stars are twinkling. Okay. The next, why is sun is a star? The sun is also a star because the sun can produce heat and light energy on its own. The sun has a life period just like every other star. The sun is estimated to born around 5 million years ago and would live for the next 5 billion years. See the lifespan. Then what are the distance between sun and the earth? Or what is the distance between sun and earth? The sun does not appear as a point-sized object like other stars, because the sun is at a close distance to the earth. If you are to compare to other stars, if you are seeing other stars, they are very small. But the sun is not looking like very small because they are the closest star to the earth. The distance between the Earth and the Sun estimated to be 15 crore kilometers. See the distance between Earth and the Sun. Earth is the third planet. You know the position of the Earth. So Mercury, Venus, Earth, like that it is going, that you will learn after this. So the position of the Earth is the third planet. The distance between Sun and the Earth, that is 15 crore kilometers. The Earth that is closer to the Earth after the Sun is Alpha Centauri. The distance between the Earth and the Alpha Centauri is estimated to be 4 point. If you're telling in light year, that's a very long distance. So usually we will tell it for light year, that is 4.3 light years. Clear? So what is meant by this light year? Let us see. The distance usually we will measure in light year. So what is meant by light year? The distance between celestial objects is described in light years. Okay, distance between planets, or a distance between planet and satellite, or a distance between planets and sun. So this distance between celestial objects is described in light years. A light year, as the name suggests, is the total distance light travels in 1 year time. That is called a light year. The total distance light travels in years time or in 1 year. The speed of light, it is 3 lakhs kilometer per second. What is the speed of the light? 3 lakhs kilometer per second in 1 second. That is the speed of light. The distance between sun and the earth, it is 8 light minutes. Okay, so one light ray from the sun, it should reach on the earth, it takes 8 light minutes. The distance between Alpha Centauri and earth, it is 4.3 light years. So that is the distance between sun, Alpha Centauri and earth. That distance 4.3 light years. Why are stars invisible during the daytime? So the stars are present every time, 24 hours stars are present, but we can see at night time, but daytime we can't see. The reason, what is the reason? Because sun's light, it is very strong. Because of the strong sunlight, we cannot see the stars during daytime. But nighttime, what is happening? Nighttime it is dark. Why it is dark? I told, because of the rotation and revolution of the earth, we are getting day and night. Because of the rotation of the earth, it rotates in its own axis, we are getting day and night. Okay, you think that it rotates, one side it is facing the sun, it is getting light, that people will be getting day, opposite side people will be getting night time. Again, earth is rotating, opposite side is coming facing the sun, that time that side people will be getting day, other side will be getting night time. So night time, suppose we are getting night time, by the time no sunlight, so we can see the stars. Stars are present in the sky during the day as well as night time. However, during the daytime, the sunlight is so bright that it becomes difficult to locate stars in the sky. The next one is, can stars change their position? If you observe a star or a group of stars for some hours, their position appears to change. This is because of the motion of the earth. I told the earth, it shows two types of motion. One is rotation. It rotates in its own axis. Second one is revolution. It is revolving around the sun through the orbit. So why we feel like that the stars appears to change position? Because this is because of the motion of the earth. The earth keeps on revolving around the sun and hence changes its position with respect to the stars. Clear? That is the reason we can see the stars change their position. The next, why stars appear moving from east to west? From which side stars are moving? They're moving from east to west. The rotation of earth takes place in the direction from west to east. How the earth rotates? It rotates from west to east. To us, it appears as if the earth is still and the sky is moving from east to west direction. For we are living on the earth, but for us, how it appears? It appears as if the earth is still. We are not feeling that movement. As if the earth is still and the sky is moving from east to west direction. However, it is not true. Also, this is the same reason why the sun appears to rise from the east and set in the west. The next one is pole star. What is pole star, or what is the significance of pole star? Pole star, also called as Polaris, is situated close to the Earth's axis of rotation. In the diagram you can see Earth's axis of, that is called imaginary axis, that is axis of rotation. So very close to the axis of rotation, Earth axis, which is present, pole star or Polaris is situated very close to the Earth axis of rotation. As a result, the position of the pole star appears to be fixed. This is unlike the other stars, as their position keeps on changing with respect to the Earth. Okay, but a pole star is very close to the axis. That's the reason we feel like that it is fixed in one place. Clear? So pole star is called Polaris, situated very close to the Earth axis of rotation. As a result, the position of the pole star appears to be fixed. This is unlike the other stars, as their position keeps on changing with respect to the Earth. The next topic, that is constellations.